Hello everyone and welcome back to the HODL indicator. In this video we are going to analyze Polkadot. Polkadot was one of the many crypto projects that had a huge move up back in 2021 and now it's stuck at around 7% of its all-time high. Now, in order to put money on something in crypto, we need to first look at its fundamentals and then look at how it's doing against Bitcoin, because ultimately Bitcoin is the mover of the market. Now, if we compare Polkadot to Bitcoin, we can clearly see some weakness. And the first real sign of a recovery would be if it can break above this dynamic trend line. And if the breakout is successful, any of these areas can be a meaningful resistance level. Now, with this in mind, if we look at its USD pair in the monthly time frame, we can see that Polkadot has this area of resistance down here that it's been holding very nicely. And if we break this dynamic trend line to the upside, the next area of resistance would be here. But if we lose this area here, the price can go as low as it wants to. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame, we can see that nothing really changes. And if we take a look at the daily time frame, we can see that the price is forming a higher high and a higher low structure. But since this is just a short-term move, we also need to see a breakout of this dynamic trend line followed by this resistance line at $5.40 to further confirm the trend change. On the other hand, if we break this dynamic line right here, we would likely revisit the lows here. Overall, Polkadot is looking bearish unless the support, well, here in the monthly time frame, the support that I showed you here proves useful, like it did the last times. Those were my thoughts on Polkadot. If you found it helpful, like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss an update. And let us know what you'd like us to cover next in the comments below. All of our socials are linked down there as well. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.